Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming why Google disabled the account. Look at the exact message and date. Next, gather a valid government ID, passport or driver's license works best, because you will need it for verification. Also collect device and sign-in details, device model, last sign-in date, and approximate IP or location to support your claim. Once done, make clear photos of the ID, and note any recovery emails or phone numbers tied to the account so you can reference them during the appeal. Now you fill out Google's official recovery or appeal form for age-related disables. Use the exact account email and type clearly. Attach the clear ID photo you prepared and make sure the name and birth date match the ID. In the explanation box, keep it concise but informative. State your true age, relevant dates, and why the account should be reinstated. Once submitted, you'll receive an automated receipt. Note the case number and expect a response within several days to a few weeks, depending on review volume. Finally, monitor the email you provided and check spam for Google replies. Use the case number when following up. If Google asks for more info, supply it promptly and clearly. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Recheck your submission for errors and resubmit with additional proof like a secondary ID or utility bill showing name and birth date. As a last resort, consider submitting a parental consent form, if applicable, or contacting Google support channels for escalation, while keeping all documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.